Welcome to our Train Update Learner segment. My name is David Knapp. I'm with the Education and Workforce Development Branch, and joining me today is Tracey Sparks. Welcome, Tracey.
Thank you.
Tracey, today we're going to dive into the My Training Plans feature, and those plans are found on the home page of Train under the dashboard. There's an item there called My Training Plans that you can click on. The training plan feature has been used a lot by a majority of local health departments for completing their annual required trainings. And through a process that we've been working very closely with the health departments, the plans are also utilized in their public health accreditation efforts and documentation from these. So we wanted to talk a little bit about today from the learner's perspective and how they access these plans, how they can find plans, and how plans are assigned to them and so forth.
Okay. A training plan is a group of courses that have been identified by a course provider or an administrator, in which you must complete all courses in order to complete the training plans.
And so we've been seeing a lot of the health departments putting their annual trainings in, the HIPAA updates, the bloodborne pathogens,
the TB modules.
Modules. They've been putting those into a plan and assigning those to employees. Now there's also programs that have been building plans. School nurse is one that comes to mind, and environmental is another that comes to mind that there's a plan available too. So these plans can be assigned to you by an administrator. So we have local health department, usually HR people, that are assigning plans to the employees of the health department. And you can also search for plans within this screen here. When we expanded My Training Plans, there's a button down there that says Find More Training Plans, and when you click on that, you can begin scrolling through plans that you can add to your plans if you so desire.
Well, I know training plans you have added to your own account through the course search are identified by the personal icon. You can remove these plans from your list anytime.
So in this plan that I opened up, we see the personal icon, and it's just the figure here in this column that I'm looking at. And if a plan has been assigned to them by the administrator, that icon looks a little bit different. It's got an A next to the figure, and those actual plans you cannot remove. You've got to actually complete those plans.
Well, you must open and register for each individual course by clicking on the course name to continue through the plan, and having a training plan assigned to your account does not automatically register you for the course.
Exactly. So when I click on a course title, it brings me up to something we're all accustomed to seeing, and that's the course details page, and then we can go through and click the registration tab and launch the course and work through it. And when you launch the course is when you're actually registered.
Right.
Now, keeping in mind too of these plans, they also have a target date associated with each of the plans. So when the administrators assign you a plan, they also assign you a target date that you need to complete.
When you need to complete them, that's correct. It is medication administration module season, David, and we want to remind the school employees to please contact the Kentucky Department for Education contact person, and her name is Lori Davis, and you can reach her at 502-564-5279 for any support questions that you may have about this module, or needing to get registered or whatever.
Very good. Well, it's probably our last train update we're doing together. As you move on to more exciting roles, and it's been an absolute pleasure working with you for a few years now, haven't we?
Probably soon to be 5 years.
5 years, and absolutely enjoyed every minute of it, and enjoyed having you part of this train update, and miss you.
I'm going to miss you.
Again, our email address is KY Train Support at ky.gov. Continue to send us emails. We're monitoring those and taking your ideas and suggestions as we move forward and bring more information to you about train and the learner and the course provider roles. And there's some other ways you can also stay in contact with us.
Yes, you can like us on Facebook at /Kentucky Train. You can follow us on Twitter at KY Train. And we also have a train blog. It's kentuckytrain.blogpost.com.
Until a couple of weeks, we'll see you again with another train update. Thank you for joining us.